Hello all, welcome to Gurukul Cat 100 series, a series designed to take you from your study room to your corporate boardroom. I am Deepak Nemani and this is Daily Quant with Deepak. Hi all, welcome back to day 43 of 100 days to cat quant series. In this video, we'll be discussing 5 questions from arithmetic. So whenever you come across a question on the screen, pause the video, try solving that question. Once you're done solving, you can resume the video. Now, if you find this video useful, like the video, share this video with your friends who are preparing for cat, and most importantly, for more videos of this kind, subscribe to this channel. In case if you want to attempt these 5 questions as a test, you can log into our portal, the gurukul.org.in, where you'll find a course called 100 days race to cat, in which there will be 3 sections: quant, LRDI and VARC. Right, so we will be uploading 100 tests in each section so that you will get a chance to attempt them for free. And if you are a serious cat 25 aspirant, you cannot afford missing these tests. So without any further delay, let's get started with the first question. On buying a pen, the shopkeeper gives 3 refills free. On buying a pen and 6 refills, the shopkeeper gives additional 4 refills free. Now, if the equivalent discount is same in both the cases, then how many refills will be equal to value of a pen? Right. So, if you purchase a pen, you will be getting 3 refills free. Now, similarly, if you purchase a pen and 6 refills, you will get 4 refills free. Right. Now let me write this 4 refills as 3 refills plus 1 refill. Now can I assume these 3 refills are because of the pen that you have purchased, and this 1 refill is because of the 6 refills that you had purchased, right? So for 1 pen, if you are getting 3 refills free, and for 6 refills you are getting 1 refill free. Now to get 3 refills free by purchasing refills, you have to purchase 18 refills, right? So can I say the cost of a pen is 18 times the cost of a refill? So the answer for this question should be option C, 18. Now coming to the second question. A car traveling at a speed of 80 kilometers per hour requires 20% more petrol than when it travels at 60 kilometers per hour for a certain distance. If the car can travel a distance of 20 kilometers in 1 liter of petrol at 60 kilometers per hour, how much distance can it travel using 15 liters of petrol at 80 kilometers per hour? Right. So at 60 kilometers per hour, it is mentioned that with 1 liter petrol, the car can travel 20 kilometers. Right. Now, at 80 kilometers per hour, to travel the same distance, it is mentioned that it consumes 20% more petrol, and 1.2 liters. Right. So, for 1.2 liters, if the car can travel 20 kilometers, what was asked? With 15 liters of petrol, the car could travel 15 into 20 by 12 into 10. So 3 fours, 3 fives, 4 fives, 25, 25 into 10, 250 kilometers should be the answer to this question. Now coming to the third question. Sanjay has 35 pens and Mohan has 40 pens. These two, along with 4 other friends, collect their pens together. If Sanjay takes back his pens, the average number of pens with the rest of them is 20. What will be the average number of pens with the rest of them if Mohan also takes back his pens? So we have Sanjay, we have Mohan and 4 other friends. Right. Now Sanjay has 35 pens. Now, if Sanjay takes back his pens, so if Sanjay left with 35 pens, the average number of pens with the rest of them is 20. Right. So the average will be 20. So how many persons do we have? We have 5 people. Right. So 20 into 5. 100. So I can say that there are 100 pens in total, out of which 40 pens are with Mohan. Right. So if Mohan also leaves, then there will be a total of 60 pens with these 4 friends. Right. So 60 pens with 4 friends. What was asked? We are asked to find the average number of pens with the rest of them when Mohan leaves. So 60 by 4, 15 should be the answer to this question. Now coming to the fourth question. In a 300-yard race, A beat B by 60 yards. In the next race, which was of 400 yards, A gave B a head start of 100 yards. By what distance did B win the latter race? Right. So in a 300-yard race, when A touches the finish line, right, B was 60 yards behind. So you have B here. Now this is 60. So the total distance is 300. The distance traveled by B would be 240, right? So in the same time, what is the ratio of the speeds of A and B? 300 by 240, which is nothing but 5 by 4, right? Now in the second case, where the race was for 400 yards, right? Now A gave B a head start of 100 yards, right? So B has to cover 300 yards, and let's find the distance covered by A in the time where B covers 300 yards. So this distance is 300 yards. Now they start at the same time, so the distances traveled by A and B will be in the ratio of their speeds. So we know that the ratio of the speeds of A and B is 5 by 4 if B travels a distance of 300, right? Now let A be the distance traveled by A. Now for 75, or A is equal to 5 into 75, 350 plus 25, 375 meters. So in the time B completes or B travels 300 yards, A would have traveled 375 yards and falls short by 25 yards in the race. So the answer for this question should be 25. Now in this question, it is given that pipes P and Q are attached to a tank. Pipe P takes 12 minutes more than pipe Q to completely fill the tank, which is empty. If the two pipes start filling the tank, it gets filled in 8 minutes. How many minutes does pipe P independently take to fill the tank? So you have two pipes, PQ, and when you have both the pipes working, now the tank gets filled in 8 minutes, and it is mentioned that pipe P takes 12 more minutes than pipe Q to completely fill the tank, and we are asked to find the time taken by P working alone, right, to fill the tank, right? So let me consider that P takes X minutes. So Q will be taking X minus 12, and we know that 1 by X plus 1 by X minus 12 should be equal to 1 by 8. Now X minus 12 plus X into 8 should be equal to X into X minus 12. So what do we have here? 2X into 8, 16X minus 96 is equal to X square minus 12X. X square minus 28X plus 96 is equal to 0, right? So we need to find two numbers such that the product is 96 and they add up to minus 28. So they are minus 4 and minus 24 plus 96 is equal to 0. So I can write this as X minus 4 into X minus 24 is equal to 0. So X can be 4 or 24. Now can we have the value of X as 4? No, because if that's the case, X minus 12 will be negative. So the time taken by Q to fill the tank cannot be negative. So X cannot be 4. So the value of X has to be 24, and that should be the answer to this question.
Hope you enjoyed learning from today's session.
This series is designed to help you with your CAT preparation and practice daily. We are with you in this journey.
To watch the next video, click here. And to watch Gurukul's CAT 100 series, study room to boardroom, the entire playlist, click here.
If you learned from today's session, like, share, and subscribe.